Bonjour. This PowerPoint is aimed at teaching you how to invite, accept an invitation, or refuse an invitation. Therefore, here we have set phrases that are meant to help you to achieve that goal. So we are going to first look at our different ways of inviting someone. So the first phrase is saying proposer, proposing an outing, proposing anything actually, usually outings for young people as you, like you. Inviter, to invite. So here the first phrase is est-ce que. Est-ce que tu veux, usually followed by an infinitive. Remember, an infinitive is the form of a verb that is not changed, that would find in the dictionary. Like, so we are going to use first the verb venir, which means to come, and the verb aller, which means to go, is for giving examples. So the first phrase is est-ce que tu veux, do you want. That's how you translate it in English. Est-ce que tu veux, do you want. So giving an example, est-ce que tu veux venir à ma fête d'anniversaire? Would you want to come to my birthday party? Est-ce que tu veux venir à ma fête d'anniversaire? Would you want to come to my birthday party? When we use the verb aller, it would be est-ce que tu veux aller à la fête d'anniversaire de Tibello, for an example. Or you can use the phrase ça te fait plaisir de, also followed by the infinitive. Remember, the infinitive is that form of the verb that we would find in the dictionary, the unchanged form of the verb. Ça te fait plaisir de, would it please you to? Ça te fait plaisir de venir à ma fête d'anniversaire? Would it please you to come to my birthday party? Je t'invite à, I'm inviting you to, this is the commonly used one. Je t'invite à venir à ma fête d'anniversaire. Je t'invite à aller à la fête d'anniversaire de ma mère. Je te propose de, I propose or I offer you to. Je te propose de is also followed by the infinitive. Je te propose de venir à ma fête d'anniversaire. Or, je te propose d'aller à ma fête d'anniversaire. Or you can just use the verb to go, to invite. Like, remember the verb to go is aller. On va à ma fête d'anniversaire. We are going to my birthday party. On va à la fête d'anniversaire de Jacques. Are we going to Shakespeare's birthday party? So that's also how you can invite. Ça te dit de, would you, it interests you, for you to. So that's the equivalent of ça te dit de. But the verb dire in French, it means to say. So, and it's followed by an infinitive verb also. Ça te dit de venir à ma fête d'anniversaire? Does it interest you to come up to my birthday party? And this is saying it in the conditional tense. Ça te dit de venir à ma fête d'anniversaire? Would it interest you to come to my birthday party? And then nous pourrions aller à la fête de Tibello. Can we go to Tibello's birthday party? So here is the verb pouvoir, meaning to be able to, in the conditional tense. Or it could be in the imparfait, like in also a different tense, saying on pourrait aller à la fête de Lawabo. Could we go to Lawabo's party? And the last one, tu as envie de, do you envy to or do you fancy to, also followed by an infinitive. Tu as envie de venir à ma fête d'anniversaire? Do you fancy to come to my birthday party? Alright, now moving on to different ways of accepting. D'accord, ok, super, great, génial, superbe, cool, cool, avec plaisir, with pleasure, je veux bien, I would like to, bonne idée, good idea, oui, pourquoi pas, yes, why not, volontiers, gladly, parfait, perfect, j'accepte, I accept, c'est parfait, c'est génial, it's great. And then if you're hesitant, hésiter, je ne sais pas, I don't know, je dois réfléchir, I must think, laissez-moi réfléchir, let me think, je ne suis pas sûr, I am not sure, refuser, now when you are turning it down, je suis désolé, I'm sorry, mais je n'ai pas envie, I don't feel like, I don't fancy it. Je suis désolé, mais je ne peux pas. I'm sorry, but I cannot. Je suis désolé, mais ça ne me dit rien. I'm sorry, but it doesn't say anything to me. Non, merci. No, thank you. Je ne peux pas. I cannot. C'est gentil, mais that's nice, but désolé, je suis occupé. Sorry, I'm busy. Je ne suis pas libre. I am not free. Je regrette, mais I'm sorry, but quel dommage. What a pity or what a shame. Alright, so these are the different ways of inviting, accepting, and refusing an invitation. In the next slide, we have questions based on an example of a birthday invitation. Here, invité à un anniversaire. So you have to read it and answer these questions in this next slide in your French book. C'est l'anniversaire de qui? Whose birthday is it? Son anniversaire est quand? When is their birthday? Il habite où? Where does he live? Il a quel âge? How old is he? And then here in this question we have, in this slide, we have questions to two texts. When you do a reading comprehension, it's a wise thing to start by reading the questions first so that when you now do the reading, you find the answers easily. So these are the questions. And the next slide here has the two texts that has the answers to these questions. So the first set of questions are true and false questions. Vrai for true and faux for false. And then the second set of questions are copy and complete questions. You use the text, the second test on Florence to answer that. And then trouver le français pour ces expressions dans les deux textes. You have to find the French for those expressions in the two texts. So, merci beaucoup. Please remember to answer the questions in your French book. Merci. Voilà.